Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul. I purchased a collection off of HSN. It's the Buenos DIAS collection, and I've never bought an entire collection before, so I was kind of excited that it was all in one bundle and you can purchase it and the colors are beautiful, so I thought I would purchase it. So let me show you what comes included. It's 40-piece Ephemera Set, and I'm sure you guys have seen all this. And then here are the ephemera pieces. Lots of nice ephemera. And then you get this 16-piece sticker set, and they're kind of puffy, little dimensional. I really like that globe. And the sunglasses and the little stamp that looks like a hillside scene. Super cute. And then you get some dies, and it's 5 dies. It's ice cream cones and the flags, and then the word, I think it says moments, or not sure. Super nice. When I try to use this flag piece, actually hopefully tomorrow, I need to make a little banner. And then it comes with these 24 acrylic shapes. So these are cool. It says cool right there. That's why I saw it. And then you have different words and little pieces. Look at that little bow. And these are really nice. I don't think I have any acrylic shapes. Super cute. Comes with a stamp set, a 12-piece. Sweet little bow right there. Nice. And then you get these stickers. It's 226-piece sticker set. And I like the ombre look of these. Really nice. And then you get these 83-piece stickers. Really cute. That radio. The old school car. Really nice. And then you get this 60-piece chipboard stickers. And like I said, I'm sure you guys have seen this, but I just wanted to show you everything that comes into this kit or collection that you can order off of HSN. And then you get the 12 by 12 paper pad, and I'll just kind of flip through. That's really pretty. I just love the muted, bright colors. Cars, bottle caps, it looks like. Really like that. Map picture. And grid lines. Just super colorful. Look at that. That's really pretty. So I'm really excited to look at these. And so it kind of repeats itself. So that's it. So once again, you get the 12 by 12 paper pad, the 83 stickers, the stickers, the chipboard, stamp set, acrylic shapes, die set, kind of puffy stickers, and then the ephemera. So that's the Buenos Dias set from HSN. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.